Your mattress has been through a lot over the past few years.
You need the Duo Mattress by Engineered Sleep. It's the best mattress on the market, and it's made in 2 parts.
Only the Duo Mattress comes with a flippable support layer that allows you to adjust to a slightly firmer side or a slightly softer side.
2 parts means double the choices and double the longevity. The Refreshable Duo comfort layer allows you to choose your material and feel.
Plus, you can replace this comfort layer whenever you want, so all that wear and tear is gone and your mattress feels like new.
It's like getting 2 mattresses for the price of 1. Oh, and here's the duo behind the duo, J and Davis Orders.
Our great-grandfather J.B. Orders started making mattresses over 90 years ago. Ever since, we've handcrafted millions of high-quality, innovative mattresses right here in Greenville, South Carolina. The Duo mattress was a no-brainer, even though it took 2 brains to create it. There's only so many materials you can make a mattress out of, and we already use the best materials on the market. So while other mattress companies fight about which foam sounds best in their ads, or how small of a box they can fit their mattress into, we saw the innovation hiding in plain sight.
No, stop, I'm not one of those. Oh, come on.
Changing how you put the mattress together is the key. By making the mattress in 2 parts, we've completely revolutionized the mattress shopping experience.
Yeah, you have. Click now to put your orders in today.
Hey, we're not included.
Still asking yourself why a 2-piece mattress? Think about the car. Just because your tire wears out doesn't mean you need to replace the whole car. You just replace the tire. Same with the Duo mattress. When your comfort layer wears out, you just replace it and your mattress is like new. With traditional 1-piece mattresses, this is not an option. That's why most people keep their mattress far past its prime, sleeping on it for 10, 20, even 30 years. Ouch. Probably thinking, won't the 2 pieces of the mattress slide around when you're trying to sleep? Nope.
We've secured the base of this Duo mattress to that forklift, and these 2 gentlemen are going to try and pull off the comfort layer. Our patent-pending cling technology is engineered so you never feel any part of the bed move.
No slipping, no sliding, just sleeping. The Engineered Sleep employees have over 400 years of combined mattress making experience. They went through a lot of mattresses before they perfected the innovative Duo mattress. Plus, the Duo has dual benefits everyone can get behind: comfortable and supportive, refreshable and sustainable. The Refreshable comfort layer ensures your bed doesn't end up in a landfill. American-made and family-owned. Why get a mattress that's stuck being one thing when you can get the Duo mattress by Engineered Sleep? It's flippable, adjustable, refreshable, and available now. To celebrate nearly 100 years making mattresses, you can try the Engineered Sleep Duo for 100 nights risk-free. Money back guaranteed. Visit engineeredsleep.com to shop now.